Sunday morning. Or it's still morning, or what time is it now?
You're talking to me. I'm in my own internet world.
It's good that you focused and calm, because you've been pretty stressed out last 30 minutes.
Been stressed out?
Yeah, I couldn't sit and chill at the breakfast because you just wanted to go and work. What time is it?
9:30?
9:30.
Yeah.
You seem a bit stressed out because you're not on the boat by this time.
No, it's Sunday, so I know I'm never at the boat at this time on a Sunday. That's for sure.
That's for sure.
So today is not a full working day. We will work a little bit on the boat and then we will go weekly shopping.
And I thought, I didn't really plan for working today, so I don't really know. I might have a look at the bicycles, see how we can fix them.
That's important, you see. Otherwise we can't finish the boat.
Exactly. And then we have the sander that is not, I don't know what's wrong. What do you call it?
It's nothing wrong. It's just like you can't handle
I can't use the sander any longer because it's wobbling so much.
I don't think it's wobbling.
And if after every time you've been used it, you've been complaining about the pain in your arm, so...
No, it's not. I mean, if you're using the orbital sander for hours, of course you feel the vibration in your hand after a while. It's nothing.
But I can't use it.
Don't you
for
remember?
1 second.
It was like that when we bought it, and I was working like a full day with the sander, and I was complaining a lot because it took like hours before that the vibration in my arms got away.
Oops, yeah.
Yeah, so that's nothing new, and that was a brand new sander. So don't blame it on the sander.
But I can't use it any longer, that's for sure. It's too much for me. It's it's wobbly.
I know one solution. She could do hand sanding instead.
Yeah,
that's much more fun. Yeah.
I do that. Alright. Or maybe I fix the sander.
Well, back to...
What about you and all these fires?
Yeah,
Oops, what are you... That doesn't look good for the environment.
Environment?
Nothing is good for the environment that we do at the moment.
Well,
Bleeding heart.
I don't think it's worse than anything else you could do.
Are you up for another fire?
No, I'm just practicing for bonfires in the Pacific, so I need to know how to make one, so I'm practicing.
Lighter. You need a lighter. I've seen it. It's on the table over there. Oh, you already prepared, Andreas. You're so prepared.
Yeah.
Oops. I don't think we saw that.
What?
Are you in an enclosed good area without...
Enclosed now.
But... Woof! Woof!
That was hot.
So you're under your own boat or you're under another? Where are we? You thought about putting fire to this boat?
Yeah.
Yeah, there will be a fire here, so... But they haven't been here since we've been here, so I don't think they will miss the boat too much. Maybe you can remove that plastic.
This one?
Oh, yeah.
It's a safety, so now. Safety.
Yeah, the plastic container. Yeah.
Contain.
Wait,
The bucket, you mean?
the bucket. Remove the bucket. Everything that can start a fire. Remove your hair so it won't get fire on the hair.
So what's on the grill today? Some bell pepper or onions. Some cerveza.
Aha. So you're just gonna make your gel coat again. Or what are you doing? Yeah, it's only yellow coat you're doing with the fire.
Yes.
Soon it will be food and other fun things.
This is a paraffin.
Yeah, alright. No. Let's see how far I will come today. Thought about removing the wheel. Back wheel is so flat. And such a long way to walk to the Ponte Modello and to the showers. I think we'll save a lot of time just fixing this. Let's see how it goes.
Well, this is my project for today. Yeah, I mean it's Sunday, so not too big of a project. Was a little bit like yesterday. I did this. I have done the edges, sanded today, and looks pretty good. So it worked pretty good as well. So I made something similar today, but I skipped out on the filler and made my own filler. It was easier just to pour it than to use a spatula. So I just poured it, let it dry, and then took the other edges. And yeah, you see some green there. I needed to fill up some voids, and then it was easier to use that one. And gel coat on it so it will cure. Also had some voids in the fiberglass I had to grind out and refiberglass, so I need to sand that down tomorrow, and everything else should be sanded down. So that's pretty much what I did. And it's about 2 o'clock this Sunday. It's quitting time. I'm just longing for my Sunday beer. So this is my Sunday beer and Sunday snack. Although, I don't know why I would call it a Sunday beer. Because most days I get beer, most days I get snack. It's a pretty good life here. I just wonder where Karin went, because she'd usually take a sip out of my beer. If she's not fast enough, there will be no beer for her. I just saw it came in on a new boat today. A leopard catamaran. It's been pretty empty here actually in the marina. It's just the last week or 2 weeks that there has been a little bit more. At one point there was no sailboats at all here. Only some of the smaller motorboats. I have no idea why. Well, where did she go? Does it taste like it is a Sunday?
No. I don't know.
Does
We
it
should be sitting at bows all day.
You mean not work at all?
Exactly, so it was a real Sunday.
Damn. You invented the lazy Sunday. When I was here on my own, I worked most Sundays. Maybe not 100%. I worked pretty good. But you're slacking off a little bit. And people think I was slacking when you were not here. Nah.
Or maybe you were sitting chit-chatting too much.
I wasn't.
Yeah, we're now gonna go into town, but we're only gonna do shopping, so that's work also.
Any treats?
Yeah,
So what kind of treat when we're going in?
I think we need that. Maybe we'll go to City Pub.
City pub?
Yeah.
On a Sunday? Yeah. Yeah, we'll see. Some beers.
Well, I'd rather have a beer than a coffee.
Yeah. Well, let's shower and head into town. Okay, we got 2 bicycles and none of them are working at the moment.
They're at Karin's repair shop.
Have you started your own bicycle repair shop?
I have.
Oh my gosh.
So, I don't know what you call these. Flat tire. That
Oh, we got a flat tire, yeah.
needs a new tire. So it's a 2-minute job to remove the...
2-minute job? Are you fast, girl?
Yeah, because it was 1 minute to look at the YouTube video how to do it, and it was 1 minute.
You know, guys, YouTube is so good.
Oh my god, it starts to be invaded by ants, that bike.
Yeah, I mean...
Okay, so that's the new tire on that one. And this one, when we folded out for the first time, it broke.
Yeah?
So the folding mechanism is not working.
Yeah, it's never been working when we had it, so... It's just a little fitting we need to fix.
Yeah, but I started to rotate this piece because everything's gonna rotate around that one. It was stuck, so
Oh,
we
yeah,
need
and
some
then...
more force here. So maybe we just...
So that's a mission to fix.
Yeah, that's not a hurry. That one.
Yeah. I mean, I used the bicycle every day till Karin got here, and then after like 1 week it broke. So I know how to blame, but...
Oh.
Well, heading to Tapachula.
Yoo-hoo.
You think we're lucky today that we don't have to wait very long?
Oh, I'm don't know, 3 o'clock.
Yeah.
And I usually stand here at that time. But we might be.
Yeah, because we're taking the dolphin bus when we're going to Tapachula. When we're going home to Puerto Madera, we always take the green cabs, but the green cabs doesn't go all the way to Tapachula from here, so hopefully there's a... Yeah, I guess it's a dolphin bus over there. I mean, sometimes during this time of the day you have to wait 20 minutes. Buenas tardes. Oh, we were up for a beer, but the pub here was closed.
So we ended up at a cafe.
At a cafe, yeah. And I ordered some kind of Italian soda, Explosiva. And I did it with the vodka. I mean, it's Sunday, isn't it? So I have no idea what it is when it's Italian soda and it's an Explosiva, and I chose the mint mojito. Well, let's try it. Yeah, hard to say. Okay, so the explosion might be, I don't know if you see it, but it's like small round sphere. It's some spheres with, I don't know, how would you describe them? Some small round balls with some flavor inside. Yeah, it's not a lot of sugar in it. It's not very sugary. So maybe, do you think that's the Explosiva? The small balls?
Perhaps when you squeeze it.
Yeah? What did you take?
Lemonade. And I wanted some sandwich also, but then I had many veggies. So we go for cheesecake instead.
I mean, this was pretty expensive. I can't say it really was worth it. It was 55 peso. If you just went to the Italian soda, it was 35, with the Explosiva 45, and with the vodka another 10, so 55 peso. Still not a lot of money. It's like $2.50. And the cake came in, and I have to say yours looks a little bit more fancy, and it's about half the price of what I paid.
This was a better deal.
Can I try it?
Of course. Much better than yours.
Yeah, I would say it's much better. But you have to try new things to discover new tastes.
I did.
Okay, how's the cheesecake?
It's hard. It's hard.
Not too bad?
It's good.
Am I look bored? You see where I am? Oh yeah, this girl forced me to go shopping with her today. It's not that bad really yet, so depends how many stores she wants me to follow. I say how many stores? This is the second one. So how many will we visit?
One more.
Okay, so that would be, so just two.
No, just one more.
Two clothing stores? Two clothes stores. Yeah, like you hear, I'm not a big fan of shopping. But she is. Happy?
I got my mosquito pants.
Yeah? Why is that?
Pants that protects me from the mosquitoes.
Show me.
It's the best color for distracting mosquitoes.
Interesting research.
I know, it's gonna work.
Oh, we got back from our shopping trip. Karin found some pants. We found a lot of food. Found some good spices to put in the with the mango. Some mango with the, like chili, salt, and lime. And that's like, mwah. How do you describe it?
I prefer it without.
You prefer it without this? She's too honest. It's very nice. It's actually. God damn it! I thought you liked it.
No, the truth comes.
Huh?
No, the truth.
No, the truth comes out. Oh well.
There are better things with lime, but chili.
What the heck? I think it's very good. So you guys should taste it. It's very good. And yeah, we actually didn't have to cook tonight because Mark, our boatyard friend, had cooked some soup. Mwah. And so much that we even could take some with us for tomorrow's lunch. Thanks, Mark.
It's very nice.
Well, now it's like 9? Soon? 8? 8, yeah. Soon bedtime. See you tomorrow.